In this session, I would like to show you how to post a general ledger document in Fiori application. So this is a Fiori. So and in Fiori, and this is the tile. This is the tile for posting general ledger entry. Click on that tile and the screen is entirely different. Our F-02 and FB50 screen both are different and this screen is different. This is the new screen given in Fiori. Here, suppose you can take the document date. General entry date is nothing but a document date. I am taking it as February. Posting date by default it is coming, or if you want you can change it. Document type SA. Our company code is BT60. I'll change our company code BT60. Currency also I have to use INR. I wanted to use INR. Okay. So other information like header text, okay, whatever you are doing in just F-02, same thing, same fields are available. There is no changes in the fields, but the screen is different. The look and feel is different. Okay. And header level we have completed. If you observe here clearly, this is a header information. And if you want to see additional fields, you can go to show more. Next one, if you want to see the line items, you can use this button. This is for line items. And if you wanted to add anything to this line items, here you have an icon. You can press this icon for cost centers, profit centers, line item text, everything you can able to do it here. Okay. Now I will try to post one transaction for general for reference. So company code BT60, it is copying directly from header. Rent GL account, I am taking rent account. Rent is our GL account. Suppose amount is 12,500 debit amount, and I need to maintain the cost center and text for this line, first line item. Click this arrow button. Maintain the cost center. This is our cost center, admin cost center. Coming to the second line, I wanted to, if you want to minimize the first line also, you can minimize. Click this. Okay. And second line, rent provision account, credit 12,500. Okay. So just click on simulate. So that's it. If you want to maintain text, you can maintain. You can go here and you can maintain if needed. Okay. I don't want to maintain the text. Just I'll go to simulate button. So this is the dummy number in the simulation mode. So debit, rent account, credit, rent provision account, and just click on post. That's it. So the document has been generated and you can able to see the accounting entry. Just come down. You can see the accounting entry here. Okay. And same accounting entry, if you want to see in GUI screen, go to GUI and just go to FB03 with this document number, you can able to do it. So that means ideally your Fiori and your GUI, graphical user interface, which is a traditional one, both are connected with same server. Okay, this is just an interface, just look and feel change. Okay, and if you want to do attachments, you can even do the attachments.